Tesla at end of trading day yesterday actually surged right through the $544 billion market cap. They're getting inches away from beating Warren Buffett and Berkshire Hathaway in their valuation. And honestly, they're not really far off from beating them. And I think that maybe by end of the year, I'm like 99% sure that they're gonna surge past the 544 valuation, the billion valuation, and they're gonna head straight past that to 550, even 575. I do think that they're gonna overpass 600 relatively easily, especially with the addition to the S&P 500 and all the money coming in from people's 401ks and all the indices and constant money being put in every 2 weeks, right, bi-weekly. But yeah, 100%. I think that by the end of the year, Tesla's going to be at 600. I did tell you guys before, when we were like around this level, that we were going to hit 460 in like the next 2 weeks. It hit that within the next couple of days, thankfully for the news and stuff of the S&P edition, right? But the TA chart actually supported that increase to 460 relatively well. But yeah, man, this is getting insane. It's going to be. Elon Musk is headed straight towards being the richest man in the world.